Batavia is a marine village located 5 miles away from Bartica. We have a population of 668 residents. We in Batavia here mostly do farming, logging, and mining. Gender-based violence, it is still here. What we've noticed now is that due to the use of alcohol, we still have noticed that it is still happening. And we've also noticing that, the youths have been participating in some drug use and so on.
2 years actually, we would have been working in regions 1 and 7 primarily, in many of the remote or far-to-reach areas that have very little access to gender-based violence services. Blossom Inc. is a non-governmental organization that runs a series of child advocacy centers in various administrative regions in Guyana. In addition to that, we work on several projects that support persons in terms of gender-based violence. With Spotlight Initiative, it gives us a platform to fan out and really reach the communities that we would have had sessions with the leadership, such as the Tushao, the council members, religious community, whether it's shopkeepers, and if you have active women groups, sports groups, youth groups, we got those individuals involved.
So we did gender-based violence, child sexual abuse, sexual and reproductive health and rights, and life skills training. Now those trainings were all on the prevention of sexual and gender-based violence in order to protect the children.
For me as a leader, I learned how to communicate with people who've been affected. To know that mainly we have to be confidential.
So we would have done a number of awareness sessions, and we would have trained a number of community leaders as well as support personnel, for example, teachers, healthcare workers, police officers, in identifying and dealing with child sexual abuse.
We were lucky to have Spotlight here in our village. And since they're here, it really benefits us a lot. We have a youth group presently and a women's group.
The first time I ever witnessed violence within my family was around the age of 10. I used to be very shy to tell my family about it, but since the training, it kind of gave me a little confidence because of the little ones that are coming up. I want them to be able to have a brighter future, to know right from wrong, what it's like to grow up in a healthy home.
Main reasons why the youth groups and even women's group were established was because in these areas there lack of actual service providers to report cases or to provide that psychosocial support. So the youth group and the women's group, it kind of like filled the void.
Working with the Spotlight Initiative and Blossom Inc. has played like a major role in my life and in the community, because when I started, we had lots of cases of teenage pregnancy, child sexual abuse. It still happens, but not so much like before. We had like 21 cases of teenage pregnancy when I started working. Last year we had 0 cases, which was like a great accomplishment that we don't really have much cases like that. And now that people are aware, like I'm really happy that they were able to know what was wrong, especially in gender-based violence and so on. I would love if it continue, and even if there are more programs, not just in my community, but other communities too.
It's because of the work that we have done and the capacity that we were able to create in our Boys and Girls Club, in our women action groups, in the community, with the health visitors, with the teachers, that I think there's a confidence to refer. And that alone says a lot, because now both children and adults have access to justice. If nothing is done, there is no access to justice.
So it was an excellent platform to get the message out. However, there's still more that needs to be done in terms of interventions to really address the issue that is on hand.
Since they've been working with us, we have seen great changes, and it really gave me even more courage to see how best I can work with my people.